I wonder if people actually know what a bird call is. So a bird call is like a prison call where all of these birds basically like they circle around the sky, and they so the prisoners, they've trained these pigeons to like to move basically at particular times. So like um they, I don't know, they like whistle at the pigeons, and then the pigeons, they all fly in a particular direction. But some people who aren't familiar with prison culture don't know what a bird call is. Also like Birdman, you know, like Little Wayne and Birdman. That's why they call him Birdman, because of the bird call. So not so.